7 a.m. and I'm going for a bike ride. So where I'm going is, I know, a really beautiful park. It's about 30 minutes away from here, and see, and the sun is, oh, I just crossed the red light. I can feel the sun in my body. Okay, now this is a little tricky. What the hell? What the hell? Okay. Okay, we are here. I can feel the fog. Oh, oh wow! This is beautiful. It's a bit foggy, but yeah. Oh wow! This is absolutely. My God, this is absolutely beautiful. I gotta take a picture, man. Okay, we'll go right, and when we return, we'll come from this road. It's big. Oh, so I could sit there for hours. And I have sat there for hours. I used to live close to here, from 5 minutes in bike. Then I moved to a different place. Okay. They have this, I don't know, calisthenics, I think. Oh, I forgot one thing today. I should have brought some bread or like some things just to feed them, and I allow that. Never mind. Next time.
Until the dust settles in the same specific place. Light refused to go. Drink it from a cast and iron plate instead of cold milk.
See, this is what I mean. This is not even the end. We still have a long way to go there. But yeah, I'll go there. Just gonna walk. This is the whole map. We are right here now. And see, we still have a long way to go. So here it is. I think the door is locked. I can go there. Or can I? Yeah, it's locked. Yeah, I'm not gonna try to break. Okay, let's continue the ride.
I woke to find my bedside empty. My girlfriend left me. I hope she died.
Oops. I'll go this way. This is a floating breeze right here. Okay, we're back here again. Oh, that was nice. Now I think I'm just gonna go find me a bench and just relax there for a while, and then I'll go home. Thank you, bye.